Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the DeliBru Reusable K-Cups for Keurig coffee makers. You can get this product on Amazon for less than $10. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a good quality product and also very useful. According to the instructions, the reusable cups are very easy to use and also dishwasher safe. They are exactly the same size as a Keurig coffee pot. With DeliBru reusable pots, you save the earth from plastic waste created by disposable K-cups, and you also save money. Filling the reusable cups is very easy and you can choose exactly how much coffee you want. Using the reusable cups works exactly like using a regular Keurig coffee pot. It is recommended to empty and rinse the reusable cups immediately after each use. I tested the reusable K-Cups for a couple of days with my Keurig coffee machine, and I think it's a very good product. It's easy to use and it's also easy to clean. It saves you money and is better for the environment than disposable K-Cups. So if you want to stop buying disposable plastic K-Cups and start saving money, I would recommend the DeliBru Reusable K-Cups. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.